Hi everyone, it's Joy, the Director of Education at PBS Reno, and today I have a joyful moment to share with you. I have my friend Maddie here with me, and we're gonna play a fun game together. This is called Lid Slide. All I did was I took a big poster board, I made a starting line here at the bottom of it, and then I made a circle, a square, and a triangle. Now what we're gonna do is Maddie and I are gonna take turns trying to slide the lid into each of those shapes. First person to get the lid into all three shapes wins the game. There's a catch. If you slide it and you don't make it to a shape, you have to put a penny in that spot. That creates a barrier and you're gonna have to try to go around it or use it. All right, are you ready to try it? Are you ready, Maddie? All right, let's go. I'm gonna go first. Oh my God, I did it on the first try. 1 point for me. Uh-oh, penny for Maddie, right where the lid is. Oh, I hit her penny. All right, now I have to put another penny right here. Maddie's turn. Uh-oh, Maddie's close, oh no. We both need the square. Oh, nice job.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see more joyful moments. And you can find other fun activities at pbsreno.org.